Hi, my name is Robert Durka, and this is my presentation for LDR-620 out at GCU College. I want to first of all say thank you very much for the opportunity to be here. Second, I would like to apologize. I had to dim the lights in the front so the screen could be seen, so therefore I'm going to be standing a little bit closer to the camera so you can see, hear me a little bit better and see me a little bit better as I give the presentation. So let's move along, if we could, please. Isogenics International, we're going to talk about the strategic plan for Isogenics. Isogenics is a local here in Arizona, Gilbert, Southeast Phoenix area, company that is a worldwide company headquartered here that was formed in 2002. It was founded by John Anderson, who was a scientist and the tech guy behind the products. And he joined up with the Coovers, Jim and Kathy Coover, who were versed in multi-level marketing direct sales. The two became together, hence Isogenics was born in 2002. The purpose of Isogenics is to be a trusted and respected organization that exists to inspire and empower individuals, families, and communities to live their best life through a journey of nutrition, health, and overall wellness. It's important for us to make sure that the society itself is well. We are currently in 18 countries, from here in the U.S., Canada, Mexico, all across the globe, Puerto Rico, Hong Kong, Australia, New Zealand, Taiwan, Singapore, Malaysia, Colombia, Indonesia, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, Ireland, Belgium, Spain, and most recently in South Korea. The strategic goal for Isogenics is to impact world health and free people from physical and financial pain, and in the process create the largest health and wellness company in the world. Lofty goals, but here's how we're going to get there via this strategic plan. First, we're going to start with a SWOT analysis. Let's go really quickly into the S, strengths, internal. I'm going to go over a couple. I'll just, because of time constraints, I'm going to go over just a couple in each box. So the first one we're looking at here is the no compromise ingredients, third-party verification, as I mentioned before. We have the highest quality ingredients that go into the products. Therefore, we rely upon outside vendors that are sourced for specific ingredients, and third-party testing makes sure that these meet our high standards. These third-party, once again, are not paid by Isogenics, therefore there is no influence on the results. For the W, what the weaknesses reference Isogenics and this plan is the large span of control for education and training. Isogenics currently has about almost 800,000 associates, which are the employees that are out here as myself, that are into the direct sales. So quality control and the span of control, the span of control is something that we're going to have to continue to deal with, because as the numbers get larger, it's hard to manage so many people to make sure they're staying compliant. And also we look into the limited distribution centers is another weakness. Currently we have a distribution center here in Arizona. We are working rapidly to build these in other areas, other parts of the world, so we can get products to those folks a lot quicker and a lot more effectively and cheaper. Moving on to the O, the opportunities in SWOT. One of the opportunities is the high demand market product line. As we see health and wellness, and health specifically, and wellness deteriorating globally based on the food supply and what's occurring to our soils, the depletion of minerals and so forth. It's important to have products like Isogenics to be able to supplement, in essence, plug the holes of our nutrition, even if you're eating healthy, a plant-based diet. With minimal animal protein, you're still having a lot of issues that need to be plugged in because of our soil depletion. So that's one of the opportunities. Another opportunity is the multitude of new markets that we can enter as we continue to grow globally. We will expand into the countries around the ones we have a footprint on, which is a wonderful thing. Lastly, we're going to look at the threats. External environment. One of the ones would be non-compliant associates and teams. We have to make sure that everybody, almost 800,000 of those folks out there, are staying compliant for FCC rules. We can't go around claiming that we cure anything, that we're a nutrition company and we supply food, and we have to make sure that continues through training and so forth. And lastly, limited supplies of ingredients that meet our high standards. Because of our standards, we do not have the large quantity of suppliers that can go into our products, because we do not allow any chemicals or anything like that in our products. They're all natural, so therefore that sometimes is a detriment. All right, moving along. Our why. People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. That's from Simon Sinek. I encourage you to go to TED Talks. Type in Simon Sinek, you'll probably watch one of the best TED Talks that you can. I think he's top 5 or 4 at this point. Talking about why. What is Isagenix why? Isagenix exists to impact world health and free people from physical pain. Additionally, it exists to free people from financial pain by creating wealth and a residual income source. And also, Isagenix has a goal to become the largest health and wellness company in the world. Lofty goal. So we have to continue with our strategic plan to make sure this occurs. How? What we do is what is the strategic plan to get us to the why? Well, first one is continued growth in the new global markets that I just previously mentioned. We have 18 countries and counting. Our goal is to continue growing into these areas. Targeting the start age demographic, what we call start is the 18 to 35-year-olds. They are the future of let's say the world. They also are the future of this company. So we have to make sure we target and market them and allow them and give them the opportunity to grow as well as lead us into the future. Since its inception, Isagenix has led with science-based product and now will continue to do so. What that means basically, purity. We're all about purity, natural ingredients. We do not use chemicals, and we use the highest standards in all our products, and we'll continue to do so to put us above the rest. And it has built a reputation on exceeding all standards, according to John Anderson there. And lastly, on the bottom here, ongoing third-party quality control testing on all our products. Again, not just 1, 2, every ingredient that goes into our products are going to be independently tested to make sure we keep that high-level standards that we expect of ourselves. References, I'll give you a quick look at that, and then we'll be done. I want to thank you very much. Dr. Diaz, directly to you, I appreciate your time, your patience with me as I have some of my technical issues. I've enjoyed this. It's been very challenging. Some external factors made it, but we got through it, and I look forward to the next one. And if I see you again, great. If not, you have a wonderful time. Thank you.